Valley loop up. See if it skirts around the edge of the lake. I think it does. Just near the Rocky Valley Reservoir boat ramp. Wow, this is a likely looking spot, isn't it? It's like this whole inlet hidden around the corner. Oh yeah, we really like this spot. It's deep, sheltered, and there's no one else here. Might try it later for a sunset fish. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, boys? How do you like it? Seen a whole bunch of trout flopping around this creek here, getting bugs and stuff that come out of the creek. Definitely try this later.